Welcome back to Money Mindset. In today's video, we are going to dive into the brilliant mind of one of the most influential investors of our time, Charlie Munger. Here it comes. Munger's first tip: invest in high-quality businesses. He believes in seeking out companies with strong competitive advantages, durable business models, and competent management teams. By investing in exceptional businesses, you increase your chances of long-term financial success. Munger's second tip: cultivate a mental models toolkit. He advocates for developing a broad range of mental models from different disciplines to better understand and navigate the complexities of the financial world. By expanding your mental toolkit, you can make more informed investment decisions. Munger's third tip: embrace rational thinking. He believes in making decisions based on logical analysis rather than emotional reactions. Munger advises investors to avoid common cognitive biases and to think critically, considering both the upside and downside of every investment opportunity. Munger's fourth tip: continuously learn from mistakes. Munger encourages investors to embrace failures as valuable learning opportunities. By analyzing your investment mistakes and understanding their causes, you can refine your strategies and make better decisions in the future. Munger's fifth tip: practice patience and long-term thinking. He advocates for taking a long-term perspective and avoiding the temptation of short-term trading. Munger believes in holding quality investments and letting the power of compounding work its magic over time. I hope you found these Charlie Munger-inspired money-making tips valuable. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay on the path to financial prosperity.